Mainit-init na chismis. Donnie Pangilinan sinagot itong kumakalat na ito online. Na ang sabi, Don Bell is out, my Don is in. Don Bell fans should accept the fact that Donnie wanted to try something new and ABS-CBN is building him up to be an ultimate leading man. Kaya't this time, they paired Donnie with Maymay. Abangan ang kanilang kissing scene. Alam, may kissing scene raw, pero sinagot ito ng matini idol na talagang nasupal pala mga bashers out there. Ayon sa actor, sabi niya, hindi ako gagawa ng ikakasira namin ni Bel Mariano na alam kong masasaktan siya.